Hello, 𝘁𝗱𝗄𝗃 here on behalf of Makers Mercantile. Today I'm going to go over what is in our newsletter for April 8th, 2022. All right, first of all, we have a brand new kit, and this kit has a brand new pattern just designed and just finished by our own 𝗁𝗀𝗃𝗃, and it is called Garden Gate. And yes, it is the cowl behind me. So this here is called the Garden Gate Cowl. And as you can see, it has a magnificent patterning to it. So Kyle, of course, his forte is doing color work, and so this is color work, and he has established this beautiful pattern that will remind you of a beautiful garden gate, perhaps in a garden in England, or a beautiful mansion, maybe an older home or something like that, a beautiful wrought iron gate. The patterning is absolutely gorgeous. The cowl is totally reversible like this. Here you go. And, and it is knit out of two different yarns. So the first yarn is the 𝗁𝗶𝗴𝘄𝗃𝗃. So most of us are familiar with 𝗁𝗶𝗴𝗄𝗃𝗃. I'm going to put the tag in front of the camera for you so you can see what it looks like. And then this is what the actual yarn looks like. So 𝗁𝗶𝗴𝗄𝗃𝗃 is manufactured and designed by 𝗩𝗶𝗵𝗆𝗆 in Germany. It is actually meant for socks, so it's 75% wool, 25% nylon. It has about 440 yards to a 100-gram ball, and the patterning on it is absolutely gorgeous. So the gradient is super, super long, and it just, I should put this back up. It doesn't really repeat itself. It does a little bit slightly, but never exact. So it is absolutely fabulous. And one of the reasons it does that is because this is not a printed yarn. The way this yarn is made is the roving is actually dyed, and then it is spun from the roving. So two different threads, or two different plies are spun, and then they are actually plied together again. And that's how you get these beautiful, beautiful color combinations. So the other yarn that he has used in his piece is called 𝗵𝗲𝗏. And 𝗵𝗲𝗏 is a brand new yarn. I think we introduced it to all our newsletter people a few weeks ago. It's a brand new yarn from 𝗁𝗃𝗃. There you go. And it's 30% baby alpaca, 30% merino wool, 20% bamboo, which is a rayon bamboo, and 20% nylon. So it has the strength and the weight to knit socks. And that is actually what it was designed for. But of course, it can be used for so many different things because it is super soft. It does have a very slight halo that comes from that baby alpaca. And it just makes, well, it does make stupendous socks, but it also makes stupendous cowls. So there you go. He picked two lovely yarns to create this piece. Now we do have kits available, and we have 4 different color combinations available. We have this one here, which is called Wisteria, and I'm pretty sure it's called Wisteria. Where's my kit? I can't even find it. Here we go. It's called Wisteria. Just wanted to make sure, didn't want to confuse you. So it is called Wisteria, but there are 3 other combinations as well. So this one here is for all of you who love naturals. This is called Hollyhock. So you've got a little bit of a light gray, and then you have this darker color for the background. So that is going to be for all of you people who want something a little bit more natural looking, I guess you could say. And that one was called Hollyhock. I'm going to put that to the side here. Now I have another one here. This is called Hibiscus. So this one is a little bit brighter. This one has, just look at these colors that are in this ball. I mean, it has some really beautiful colors in there. And then it's been combined with this pastel rose color. So the two of them together are just absolutely magnificent, and they combine to be called Hibiscus. And then, last but not least, we have this one here, and you're going to ask me what this is called too. And I'm going to tell you, I don't know off the top of my head. Oh, passion flower. There we go. Okay, this one is called passion flower, which makes sense because look at the colors in the yarn that goes in there. Oops, I should probably pull it back a little bit. But there you go. That is your 𝗁𝗶𝗴𝗄𝗃𝗃 color, and here is your 𝗵𝗲𝗏 color. And then if you put the two together, you can see that's going to make an absolutely lovely, lovely cowl. So those are our 4 color combinations that we have, and the kits will be available for quite a long time. However, we do have a special going on, because in the kit you get one ball of the 𝗷𝗶𝗆𝘄𝗃𝗃, 1 cake of your Madrona, and you get the pattern. But if you purchase the kit through Sunday, that is, I think Sunday is April 10th. So through Sunday at midnight, we will toss in the needle that you need to knit this cowl. And what we're tossing in is a 16-inch US 4 skacel rocket needle. There you go. Had to think about that. So a skacel rocket 16-inch US 4 needle, so that when you get your kit, you're ready to go. You might need a couple of stitch markers. You're going to need a tapestry needle so that you can finish it off at the end with your Kitchener stitch. But other than that, that is all you're going to need. So order it now before Sunday night, and we will send you that needle for free. You don't have to ask it. You don't have to ask for it or anything. So there you go. That is our brand new kit with the Garden Gate pattern designed by our own 𝗁𝗃𝗃𝗃. All right, I have some new bags for you. So you've probably been wondering, why aren't there new bags? Well, you know what? Since we closed our retail shop, we haven't had a place to put our printer. Well, we now do, because our printer is really, really, really big and really, really wide. So we had to find a place, and we now have a place for it. And so we've been able to start printing again. And in the next few weeks, we actually have quite a few new designs for you. So we'll be introducing probably 1 new design every single newsletter. Anyways, we've actually taken an older design this time. We've changed the coloring a little bit, and we've turned it into a large zipper bag. So this is our large zipper bag, and this is our comically knitting pattern. We have it on red this time. And our comically knitting pattern is our own design that has words such as knit and got gauge and purl and cast on and all those different types of, well, I guess it's terminology, knitting terminology on it. So it is a super wide bag with the zipper in the width. So that means that when you open it, it's easier to get your things out. When you have a zipper and it's a tall, narrow bag, or drawstring and too tall and narrow, it's a little harder to get things out. So we decided to give these a shot. Nice and wide. Look at this. This is one of the kits. It fits in there perfectly. Actually, you could add another 100-gram ball, which means it's a perfect bag size for a shawl, a couple of pairs of socks, or something like that. Now, if this vibrant red is not your cup of tea, we have another color for you too. I have this beautiful lilac. Look at this. So we have the lilac one as well, same terminology and everything. The lilac one, however, has a little bit of a rainbow zipper on it, whereas the red one had a red zipper. So there you go, 2 new bags. Keep watching our videos or checking out our newsletter, because we'll be coming up with new bags, not only drawstring, not only zipper bags, but other kinds of bags, needle cases, and so on in the near future. I think that's about it for today. I do want to make sure that all of you local people are aware of Vogue Knitting Live. It is being held in Bellevue at the Convention Center. I think it's called the 𝗵𝗶𝗴𝗄 Center. And it is on Friday from noon till 6:30, on Saturday from 10 till 6, and Sunday 10 to something, I think. You better check online. I don't know that exactly. Anyways, it is free to come in. I suggest that you register online so that when you get to the door, you can just walk right on in, and you can check out more information. I do think we have a link in our newsletter, but we would love to see you if you are local. If you're not, we hope that you take the weekend to do something creative, have some fun, stay safe, and we will see you again next Tuesday. And don't forget, I got all these buttons sitting here. We have buttons, that's right. If you ever need buttons, think of us. We have buttons for you. Okay, that's it. We'll see you on Tuesday. Ciao.